Guys, welcome. Now in this section I will be teaching you about the signaling circuit in the MV switchgear incomer panel. So you can see this is the signaling circuit, and you can see we have basically here F60 is installed, 650 is installed here. This relay has two functions. Function 1 is to make the protection, and function 2 is also doing controlling, and it can be connected to substation automation systems for monitoring at local and remote stations. So here you can see these are the binary inputs. This is the power supply of the relay F650. This is the binary input of the relay. These are all the binary inputs. Okay, and you can see here this is basically device power, which is basically a multifunction meter, and it's powered through this circuit. Now you can see let's see how many indications are connected to this relay. So this is basically circuit breaker close indication is connected. You can see this is Q0, and Q0 here is basically the circuit breaker open position. It is when the circuit breaker is open, it will be de-energized, and this contact is normally closed contact, so this will be energized, and this binary input 1 will be energized. So then we have withdraw test, withdraw service position. This is trolley test and service position. Then it also has spring charge discharge status is also connected to this relay. And this is, you can see, circuit supply. This is DC supply fail. You can see if any of the circuit breaker is off. Now all the circuit breakers are normally shown in the drawing are in off position, so normally it will be on. So this all contact will be open. As soon as any of the MCB trips, then contact will close, and this will energize the binary input, and this in the alarm and indication can be configured at the control room or automation systems at remote control rooms. Similarly, here you can see AC supply fail. Normally close contact of MCBs are wired up here, and it is connected to binary input. Again, you can see the local remote selection. Also, one contact is connected to binary input. So this is all signaling. So move to the next sheet. These are all the spare binary inputs of F650, and these spare binary inputs are also wired up to the terminal block. So if there is a requirement at site to connect any spare any input, it can be connected to spare input that are already available up to the terminal block. So at the end, the relay is installed, which is called as a DC supervision relay. Here you can see the BK1 is installed. When the supply is failed, this will give alarm, and contact will operate that this loop DC supply is failed. So further you can see that in the next sheet we can see some spare contacts. So I will be explaining in my next lecture. So this is all about signaling. Thank you very much.